Hey guys, it's me Eo, back with another video, and today I am going to be doing my first engine mod to my car. I got a Spectre, or however you say it, air filter, and I also have the breather for it because my car needs that too. So let's go outside and start this up. I had to sit down a little bit. Ow! That's my brother. He's going to be helping me because I don't know how to do this. This is my cousin. He's going to try helping too. He wants to learn. Yeah. But tell him what. Oh yeah, I let him drive this. He didn't install. Surprisingly.
That's why this video was going?
Not today.
Where? Oh.
Alright, but here so you guys can get a better view of this. This is
he went from somewhere in this circle because it's like
freak. What is it called? The air filter. Here's the breather for it. Here's a better view.
Where you go?
To go get this, but then I needed something else.
No.
I thought it came with it, but then it didn't, so I needed to go back and get this.
Oh, and you went.
Then I was stuck on my car.
Yeah.
So, how we gonna do this? We're gonna use your car as a tape?
Yeah, I get it. Just find it.
I was like, you already know how to take that air filter off. I don't know what that is. Y'all, I'll come back when we actually start taking off. I'll get you guys a close view of him doing that. I'm gonna open these boxes real quick though. So.
No, we gotta see.
Okay, guys, this is the air filter out of the box. It's already oiled, pre-oiled. It says, what'd you say?
I said I'm tired of this. We need new tools, like a bigger tool box.
And this is the blue breather that I got. He's just over here trying to find stuff to fit on here to get it off. Oh, my head. I keep hitting my head on here. As you can see, I have a breather right here. It's gonna be fun. Oh, never mind. I can just stick it right there. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Okay. That made my life way easier. But right now, he's just in the process of figuring this out. Because he took it off once. But I don't think he remembers how. Do you remember how?
Yeah, but shit, it's the fact of finding the tools that we have.
So I'll catch y'all when we find the tools and stuff. And we start taking this off even more. Because right now, yeah. Well, I forgot to get a video, but we got it off in like 5 minutes. I guess this was broken already.
Yeah. That's why I couldn't even fucking get it off.
But like, y'all, look how dirty this filter is. The people I bought this car from, like, y'all ain't changed it in like years plus months. Like, what is this? But now it's time to get this. Forgot what they call that. Something airflow. Something sensor. Yeah, but now we're getting this and we're gonna connect it up and we're gonna get on there. We're finna see this. I should have got a before and after, but too late. I already got it off. This is actually going pretty quick, huh?
Yeah.
Then you have her just sitting in the car. It's okay though. But yeah, let me help him out real quick.
Heat shield. They're on like $20 off here at Amazon. Like either fucking blue one from the carbon one. I'm getting the fucking carbon one or red one for mine. Or the titanium.
We're gonna see how we gonna get this. This is different. I never had a breather. And there's a new clamp if we need a new clamp.
Where is it? Oh, it's right there on top.
Y'all, right now we're just in the process. That's already done. We just gotta connect it back to this right now. He's just trying to figure out this breather for me because I don't know how that works. I never had one before.
Neither. Oh shit.
Oh no, runaway intake.
I don't think it's gonna go tighter. No, that's not.
If we don't just put something.
I mean, we really just leave it there.
Yeah, we finally got the breather on. There was a piece on the other intake that we had to take from it, if you guys can see right here. And now we're just getting the intake actually on. She finally got out the car. And then I'll do a after, even though I don't have a before, but yeah, you'll see. Anyways. It's not supposed to be extravagantly layout. I hope not. I'm like a feel the fucking power difference. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys liked today's video. And I just put this right here in between this right now because I cannot find a zip tie. And then this is just hanging here until I can get a mount put on here, which is going to be pretty soon. Oh, I hit my head again, y'all. Anyways, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.